Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVGR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day in this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down there at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So to summarize this action in terms of just trading jargon, this is what would be known as a gap and trap, meaning if you're new, that on Wednesday the price closed right there, and then this morning the price opened up there, hence what is known as a gap up. In this situation, a pretty big gap up. After the opening bell rang, to give some credit where credit's due, the price did make a nice push to the upside, but then this is where things get absolutely savage because there was a bunch of poor souls that were buying up around here, and then you can see from that point it was basically all selling pressure the rest of the day. So that's the gap and trap that has taken place, which now brings about what I would definitely consider a very important level of support, and that sits down here at the 42-cent mark. Now, I'm not saying this was going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down there, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would, at that point, quite literally be putting the price right back down to where it started. I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that absolutely explode upwards to then go right back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that is why, in my opinion, that 42-cent mark is a very, very important level of support to keep an eye on. Now, as far as areas of resistance, if the price starts to bounce back upwards, first key level to watch is going to be right there at the 57-cent mark, and then after 57, next key level up there right around the 68-cent mark. But as of right now, yeah, the chart's looking pretty shaky, but who knows? We'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.